So he's talking about his wife and how wonderful she was and everything. And I just feel I need to interrupt the process because the guy is just going more and more into the grief. And sometimes it's useful, sometimes it's not. So when you feel it's not, then I can bring my interlude and saying, you know the dishwasher theory, sir, you do you? What? The dishwasher theory? The dishwasher theory, no. Oh, well, dishwasher theory is very important when you go through a grief. Oh, I don't think I've heard it. What is it? Oh, the dishwasher theory is this. You know, when you have a dishwasher, if you put too much dish inside, plates and everything and glasses, and if you put too much and you start the dishwasher, you probably won't get good results because there were just too much stuff in it, and some dish won't get cleaned properly. On another hand, if you don't put enough dish in the dishwasher, well, you don't want to start the dishwasher because you're losing energy and water and soap and stuff. So you wait until the dishwasher is full, right? Yeah, so it's like that in our life. Sometimes when we have too many goals, well, they don't get served properly because there are just too many. And when there's not enough, we don't start the process because, you know, there's not enough. So the dishwasher theory says you need to have goals, enough dish, so that you start your engine to produce the results. And when you have too many, well, you don't get a good, good result anyway. So do you have dish in your dishwasher? Do you have enough goals in your life? Maybe you haven't filled up your dishwasher in a while. You have not used it. Maybe it would be a good thing this week to think about what you could add in your dishwasher. So you need to start your engine. So what were you saying in regards to your wife? Okay, it took 2 minutes. Dishwasher theory is so crazy. Just the title, it's not in the DSM-5, okay? I suggested it, but they didn't want to take it. Anyway, so, I mean, the fact that we use a title that is so crazy and simple, it's a dishwasher. First of all, it's so simple that they often get it very quickly. Second of all, it's so easy that they want to share it sometimes. And then they go out and they have something interesting to share. They go drink a coffee with a colleague and they say, so you know the dishwasher theory, do you? You know? Oh my God. And they enjoy having something fresh and new and funny to share. Same thing for the teenagers, same thing for the, And so we need to fill up our dishwasher as a couple, as a family, even in a workplace. So we can, use it in very different settings.